Well, I'm back again. It's almost the middle of March, and I still have time to get in on the Bandai group build, which ends at the end of the month. Hosted by Dan at Hobby Time with Papa Dan and Daniel at Munchkin Modeling Man 72. This year I'm doing this kit here from Bandai. It's the Musha Gundam. It's a, what do you call it, the deformed SD, super deformed kit. It's all in the bag still. The stickers there, it's molded of course in color, so I may not have to do any painting. So I'm kind of counting on that it's going to be a quick build. And there's the instructions. So stay tuned for that build coming up next. I'm just about to begin this Bandai Musha Gundam in super deformed. These are the sprues that came with it. This one's still in the bag. I'm thinking that's going to probably be near the end. A lot of black parts. These are the other sprues here. The head and that in white. And there's red. Sort of a yellowy gold. These are the rubbery sockets that join the moving parts together. There's a nice sort of gold chromed piece here. And some stickers. A bit of a glare there. It's on a gold background. So a few sprues, not too many parts. So I'm going to begin this and watch for some updates.